I used to think I had time to run the streets, time to stack money, time to fix my life, eventually. I told myself I was in control, that I could stop whenever I wanted. But the truth is, I was lost and I didn't even know it. I've done things I can't take back. I've hurt people, sold poison, watched lives fall apart while I kept telling myself it was just business. It was easier to stay numb, easier to keep moving, because if I ever stopped, I'd have to face what I'd become. Then one day, the sky broke open. No warning, no more chances. He came back, Christ. Not in a book, not in a preacher's voice, but in power, in fire, in glory. And in that moment, I saw everything. Not just my life, but the truth. All the money, the cars, the fear I chased and caused, none of it mattered. None of it could save me. I thought I had time to get clean, time to pray, time to say sorry, but time was up.
Oh my God, what is that? He's coming back. Look.